There's a reason people spend real money on upgraded headlights for their Ford F-150, and I wish I could say it was just about looking cool. Most of us drive at night more often than we'd like to admit, and those stock halogens, let's just say they're about as useful as a flashlight with dying batteries. Alpharex headlights, though, are a different beast. We're talking about lights that can pump out 3 to 5 times the brightness of your factory bulbs, with crisp cutoffs and serious throw. If you do any amount of late-night driving, or let's be honest, just want your truck to look worth a second glance, this is a mod that grabs you by the collar. Here's the thing people don't often mention: installation stress. The top complaint I see with aftermarket headlights is that you pop the hood and get overwhelmed by wires and mounting brackets. But Alpharex does the heavy lifting with factory-style plugs and clear instructions, making it about as close to plug-and-play as it gets for a job like this. You'll want to start by disconnecting your battery. Trust me, don't skip this, or you'll risk a quick jolt or blown fuse. Remove the grille and the old headlights. Alpharex units are sized perfectly to fit the precise bolt patterns of the F-150, so no wrestling with odd brackets or weird tool angles. An underrated pain point: moisture and fog. Cheaper headlights tend to fog up if you drive through Oregon rain. I know this personally. Alpharex headlights use high-quality seals and factory-level housing, so that extra $100? Worth it when your lights don't haze over 6 months later. Alpharex has different tiers: LUXX, Nova, and Pro. I'd say LUXX is the sweet spot. Full LED projectors, sequential turn signals, and even animated startup sequences. It makes you feel like you're unlocking a concept truck straight out of a car show every time you start your F-150. If you want numbers, here's impact for you. People report 300% more visibility on rural roads at night with properly aimed Alpharex headlights. You see deer and obstacles further away, which can literally mean life or death. Stop squinting and hoping for the best. One thing people worry about is blinding other drivers. Pro tip: Alpharex projectors are DOT and SAE compliant, but you do have to aim them correctly. There's an adjustment screw, and this step isn't optional unless you want to collect angry high beams in your rearview mirror. Customization is the name of the game nowadays. You want black housings, DRLs, or switchback turn signals? Alpharex basically gives you a buffet of options. You don't have to pick one size fits all. Build out the look you actually want, not what your neighbor settled for. Of course, the secret sauce here is durability. The F-150 is a workhorse, and you do not want headlights that give up after a rough winter or dusty summer. With built-in heat sinks and solid-state boards, Alpharex lights are built for the kind of punishment truck guys expect. I get the hesitation around spending hundreds on lights, but try driving back roads at midnight in the pouring rain outside Portland, and your perspective changes fast. Visibility is safety, and honestly, it just feels good when people ask, "Where'd you get those headlights?" Last big tip: save your factory hardware after the install. Sometimes you'll want to revert to stock for inspection or resale. All those little screws and clips? Put them in a labeled baggie. Future you will thank present you when it's time to switch back. I'll end with this. Alpharex isn't the only headlight upgrade game for the F-150, but if you want the best mix of plug-and-play ease, relentless brightness, and genuinely cool design, it's the one I recommend to friends who won't settle for good enough.